Now, amid the showdown over Kolkata horror, TMC Neta's big charge that has been made against when it comes to the BJP and the left, the TMC this time is alleging a certain toolkit that is being used by the opposition, saying that there seems to be an organized campaign against West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Now saying, in fact, when it comes to raising questions with the CBI, because the days that it has taken over the investigation from the Kolkata police, here is the TMC who has been demanding regular updates on part of the CBI as well, and saying that there seems to be a concerted effort, Sabyasachi, that they have been now referring to a toolkit, because here when it comes to the Chief Minister of West Bengal, she is the Chief Minister, the Home Minister, the Health Minister, and she too has been taking out campaigns and protests seeking justice for the victim.
Well, absolutely. See, the Trinamool Congress Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament, Saket Gokhale, has put out several posts in social media. Now he has targeted that a specific toolkit is working against the state government here. Now he says that at the time when the Kolkata police was investigating this matter, there was a lot of protest that was taking place. Now it's been 5 days that the CBI has taken over the case, and not a single update has been given by the CBI in this particular case, and there has been absolute no protest against the CBI. So he also suggests that the protests that are taking place in different areas of Kolkata, now these protests has been hijacked by the BJP. Now he has shared several pictures of the BJP protest as well. He says that the protesters now who have been detained by the Kolkata police, who have been saying that they are genuine protesters, they are not, they are associated with the BJP. Now, in fact, Saket Gokhale went on to say that the IT cell of the BJP is working in an organized manner with a specific hashtag that Mamata Banerjee must resign. Now, Saket Gokhale also alleges that this particular hashtag has been used by specific people, not by genuine protesters who have been demanding for justice.
So they believe that a certain toolkit of the BJP CPM is to destabilize Bengal government and will get a befitting response. We will not allow justice to be derailed, is what the TMC leaders have been saying.